Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Happy Easter to everyone, and I hope perhaps some of you got your stimulus checks. I haven't gotten mine. And I had my breakfast of a cup of coffee and a bowl of chili. I hear this banging at my door and rustling, and someone trying to open the door, and I go, what the hell? Well, this is Burgh boxing in a big way, and I have no idea, except for one, what's in these bags. These were just delivered to me. So let's see what's in here. And I thank whoever the hell sent this. I have no idea. All right, we have a cake. It says cake. Okay. Let's see. We have a cake that tried to. Oh my God! It is an Easter egg. What does it say here? I can't read it. Hold on. Oh God! Maybe someone can deliver for Easter, my birthday, some glasses. All right, chocolate egg cake. With little eggs, kind of look like chocolate mushrooms. So thank you for this. I didn't know there was such a thing as a chocolate egg cake. All right. And this one is heavy. Let's see what's in here. We have here grapes. Oh boy. We have a bag of oranges. And we have a bag of the wonderful organic mandarins. Thank you very much for this. Okay, that's two. These bags out of the way. And there is more. Much better than chili for breakfast. All right. Lucky's chili is a little spicy. All right, and then we have here something. I don't know what this is. What the hell? It is a big. It's rattling. I don't know what this is. Now we'll find out. I have no idea. It's like Mission Impossible here. What? I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a heat cover for a car. What is this? Looks like something goes inside your hood. Oh, this must keep it cold. Isn't that interesting? It's a blanket to keep the food cold. All right, let's see. It's fighting me and it's winning. All right, let's see what's in here. We have here. Oh, citrus pop-ups, lemonade, orangeade, and strawberry lemonade. Didn't know such a thing existed. Now let's take one of these out. What's this? Strawberry lemonade. Strawberry lemonade. Trim here. Orangeade. Well, let's see what this tastes like. I can get it open. Okay. There it is. And you push it up. It's different. I won't say that much. It is different. Tastes very tart. Alright, I'll put these in the icebox directly. And thank you for this. Amazing how many products are out there you never heard of. And finally, one more box. One more bag, sorry. I was watching Emperor with Tommy Lee Jones, and interesting. Okay. Finally, we have 2 containers of something. All right. And let's see what this is. We have here watermelon chunks. Thank you very much. And all these bags. Let's see that pad really works to keep things cold or not. And then we have, oh boy, pineapple chunks. So, okay. Put those bags over there. And let's try a pineapple chunk here. These are a bit tart. But they get sweeter as you bite into them. Very good. Thank you for this. I'm really shocked. I was not expecting Easter fruit and snack time. All right. Thank you very much. I hope the person that sent this has a great Easter, and this brightened my day. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. And I'm still amazed that all this stuff came to my door at 10:12 in the morning on Easter Sunday. And I know you can't go to church out there, those who are Christian, but I hope you enjoy your meditations and celebration as best you can in the privacy of your home or with your family. All right, have a great day and stay safe. Bye-bye for now.